Hello everyone, it's Ira from gmailfiend. First of all, thank you for watching this video. If you're new here, please don't forget to click the subscribe button down below and check our channel for more videos like this. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to snooze mass emails. Like for example, you want to snooze or see later the replies from the specific email sender. So the first thing that you'll need to do is click the select where you can actually check all the things that you want. Like for example, the read emails, the unread emails, the starred emails, or the unstarred emails. You can also check them one by one by checking this checkbox. Like for example, I want to choose this part, or I want to choose all the read emails or the unread emails. Okay, so the next thing that you're gonna be doing is actually click this part, this button or this clock icon. So this is the snooze button. If you click it, it will be shown to a schedule selector, like for example, snooze until tomorrow 8 a.m., later this week, which is Thursday 8 a.m., or you can also customize the date that you want the specific email to be on snooze or snooze until when. So like for example, this one I want to snooze it until November 18, 6 a.m. Okay, so there you have it. The conversation is now snooze, and you can find them here in the snooze part of the in the Gmail dashboard. You can see all the conversations that you have snooze from your main inbox here, and you can also see here the date where it will be snooze until when or unsnooze. So that's basically it on how to snooze mass emails or snooze specific emails on Gmail. If you like this video, please leave a like, comment, share it to your friends, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching and see you on our next video. Bye!